Hello there, welcome to my overexplained guide on how to use VOICEMOD. Today's episode is talking about the Settings tab. Albeit pretty simple, pretty easy to understand, some people would like a quick helping hand. We'll start off with the Audio tab, and then we'll move on from there on out. Firstly, you have your input and output settings. So your input is whatever microphone you choose to input. So that can be your computer's microphone. That can be an artificial microphone. That can be your virtual desktop or Steam VR microphone. Or it could just be your streaming device. Your output is what speakers it chooses to output on when it's producing audio. Your actual microphone should be very similar to what you're trying to use VOICEMOD with, should be very similar to your output. When you're in game, you want to make sure that your audio settings are set to VOICEMOD. For the microphone input is definitely set to VOICEMOD or something of a similar name. Down here you've got advanced settings, that's your noise gate and your advanced settings, so background noise reduction. Both of these I recommend leaving default or customizing, but background noise reduction and noise gate always nice to have to get rid of any unnecessary noises. Mixer mode. This is probably unnecessary to touch, but it's there in case you want to change how strong things sound, how strong your voices appear, how strong your sounds appear, and things like that. General settings, launch and startup, basic, pretty normal. Start minimized. System sound, system notifications are both sort of regarding your system. Set VOICEMOD microphone as default means that when you open it, it's already there. Language, as it says, import from V2. So if you started using version 2, you can import your voices and your sounds and your save file into V3. Here at the keybinds, you can set keybinds for all of these effects, swap voice changer on and off, hear myself, background effects, bring to front, which means bringing your mic to the front, mute mic, push to talk, stop all sounds, show/hide overlay, and change overlay position. You can also see what keybinds you have set up for what sound. In the overlay tab, you can enable an overlay that will be there. So as you see here, it will appear where you choose it, and it's just up there at the top of your screen, and you get basically this, but in your game. And then it also has registered apps and games and things like that. For the controller, this means you use your mobile phone to control your PC if you're doing things like VR or gaming. You can't quickly swap between your PC and gaming, so you can use your phone. All it does is acts as a controller and isn't necessarily your phone working as a standalone device. I'm not 100% sure how this all works, as I haven't tested it, but apparently it's pretty simple from what I've heard. Next thing with settings is I'd like to mention that all sounds and voices have a little tab on the side here. If it would work. Say here, random voice has background, lets you turn background on and off, the voice volume, different locations or backgrounds, which I'll explain in my voice lab video, and just general customization tips. Community voices generally have less customization, but still get the job done.